Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python tutorial series. In this session, we will learn about conditional statements in Python. Taking an example, the age equals to 20, 20. The age equals to 20. Then I need to print if age is greater than or equal to 18. Equal to 18. Age equals to 20. And I need to take if statement. If age is greater than or equals to 20, 18, it print you are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. Here we are checking a condition if the age is greater than or equal to 18. Since the condition is true, the Python prints you are eligible to vote. If the condition falls, nothing happens. 20 is greater than or equal to 18. Yes, you are eligible to vote. This is all about if statement. Coming into the if-else statement, I'm taking another example. Age equals to 16. If I'm checking condition, if age is greater than or equal to 18, if age is greater than or equal to 18, it print you are eligible to vote. In else condition, it print you are not eligible to vote. You are not eligible to vote. Here in this example, you are not eligible to vote. Because now let's add on else. If the condition is true, it runs the first block. If the condition is false, it runs the second block, else block. Here age is 16, so that output is you are not eligible to vote. 16 is greater than or equal to 18, no, right? So that's why it's showing you are not eligible to vote. This is all about if-else statements. Coming into the another example, I'm taking another example. If-elif-else statements. Here I'm taking another example for if-elif-else statement. I'm taking is greater than or equal to 90. If marks is greater than or equal to 19, it prints if marks is greater than or equal to 90, it prints grade A, print grade, it prints grade A. Coming into the elif, the marks is greater than or equal to 75, it print the grade B. I'm taking another loop, else if marks is greater than or equal to 50, sorry, I'm taking elif. Elif, taking another elif, the marks is greater than or equal to 50, it's showing the print grade grade C. I'm taking other else, it print fail. Sometimes we have more than two choices. In such cases, we use if else. Here we are assigning a grades based on marks. Since marks are 72, Python prints grade C. Here is all about it showing a grade A because the marks is 90. 90 is greater than or equal to 90. Yes, so that's why it's showing a grade A. Next, we move on to the nested if statements. Here Here I'm taking one example for nested if statements. If number equal to 15, if number is greater than 0, it print. If number is not equals, if number percentage to equal to 0, it prints positive even number. Positive even number. Here I'm taking example for nested if. I'm taking in numbers equals to 15. If number is greater than 0, it checks condition. Then it checks the condition. If number is percentage to equal to 0, it prints positive number, positive even number. Otherwise, it prints positive odd number. Odd number. Here we can also put one if inside another. This is called a nested if. Here Python first check if the number is positive, then inside it checks if the number is even or odd. Since 15 is positive and odd, it prints positive and odd. Use the if when you have one condition. Use the if else when you want two choices. Use the if else when you have multiple choices. Use nested if for condition inside condition. And remember, conditional statements help us make a decision in our program just like we do in real life.